Happy morning. Today I am going to explain you the lens formula in detail. Okay, so you all know what is a lens. A lens, it's a piece of glass or plastic that bends light. Okay, lenses help us see better, like in spectacles, telescope, cameras, our eyes. Yes, even our eye has a lens, correct? So you have two types. One is your convex lens that is bulging out, like for far sight, and concave lens, it is curving in, it's like for your near sight. Okay, so what is your lens formula? The lens formula, they connect the object distance, that is how far the object is from the lens, and your image distance v, how far the image is formed, and your focal length f. It is a special distance where light rays meet or seem to come from. And your formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. And this is your lens formula, okay. So for example, imagine if your lens power, okay, f is your lens power and u is your object, like example a tree or something, and v is where the picture appears, okay, that is on the screen. Okay, to use the formula correctly, we need to know the little sign rule. Okay, so the object distance, it is always negative, that is because the object is in front of the lens, and your image distance v, it is always positive for real image on other side and negative for your virtual image. Clear? Focal length is positive for your convex lens and negative for your concave lens. Okay, so I'll explain you by a simple example. Let's say object is 10 centimeter from a convex lens, that is your u is minus 10 centimeter, and focal length of lens f is positive 5 plus 5 centimeter, and you have to find v, that is where your image forms. Okay, so the formula, what formula you'll be using? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So your focal length is 1 by 5, that is equal to 1 by v, you didn't know, minus of minus 1 by 10. So 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by 10. If you solve it, okay, so you will get, so you are taking 1 by 5 to the other side and taking LCM, so you will be getting 10. So 2 minus 1 by 10, you will get 1 by 10. So your V is 10 centimeter. That means the image is formed 10 centimeter on the other side of the lens. Okay, so always think of it like this. Object is shining light into the lens. So lens, it bends the light. So light meets or appears to meet at a point. That is your image. Clear? So your lens formula is used to find out where the image will form when object and lens distance is known. Hope it's clear for you. Thank you. Mostly children has some frequent questions. Usually they'll have some frequent question in light lesson. Let me see that actually. Say for example, they have a doubt that why light travels in a straight line. So we all know because it's super fast and doesn't bend unless something like water or glass make it change direction. Okay, so if you light a candle and if you look through the straight straw, you'll see the flame. And if you bend the straw, will you see it? You can't see it. Okay, so this itself proves that your light travels in a straight line. Then mostly they have why our image flipped in a mirror. So your mirror doesn't flip top bottom, only left and right. And if you raise your right hand, your reflection raises its left. It's like standing in front of someone copying you. Okay, and next is your difference between virtual and real image. So real image is the light rays meet, whereas your virtual image, your light rays appears to meet. Okay, so in real image it can be caught on a screen like in a projector, whereas your virtual image, it can't be caught, only it's seen like your mirror image in the mirror. Okay, and why do we see rainbow colors through a prism? So we know white light is made of 7 colors, when your prism bends, if it refracts each color by different amount, so you see a rainbow. That's a Vibgayarka. Okay. And how do we see object? Light from a source, that is either it may be a sun or a bulb. It hits that object and bounces into our eyes. Okay. If there is no light, nothing to see. Okay. And what's a lens and why do people wear specs? Okay. A lens bend light to focus it properly. If someone eye's lens is too strong or weak, they wear glasses, that is your lenses, to help light focus on the retina correctly. Okay. And why are shadows formed? When light hits you and can't pass through, then it creates a dark patch behind you. That's your shadow. If there is no light, no shadow. Okay. Hope this video is